If you've ever wondered how to see recently viewed posts on Facebook, you're not alone. A lot of people assume there's a simple button or menu inside Facebook that shows everything they've recently looked at, but the truth is a little different. In this video, I'm going to show you what Facebook does and does not allow, and the closest ways to check your recent activity. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Now, let's get into it. First, the most important thing to know is that Facebook does not provide a direct option to see recently viewed posts. That means there is no built-in History tab where you can open Facebook and instantly find a list of every post you scrolled past, clicked on, or opened recently. So if you were looking for a feature like that, Facebook simply doesn't offer it. But there are still a couple of useful places you can check, depending on what kind of post or content you're trying to find again. The first place to look is your activity log. Your activity log is basically Facebook's record of some of your actions on the platform. It can help you review things you've interacted with, such as likes, comments, searches, and other activity, depending on your account and app version. To access it, open Facebook and go to your profile. Then look for the menu or settings area where you can find activity log. Once you're inside, browse through the categories and see whether the post or interaction you're looking for appears there. This is especially helpful if you remember liking a post, commenting on it, or saving it in some way. If you interacted with the post, there's a better chance you'll find a trace of it in your activity history. But keep in mind, if you only viewed a post without doing anything else, Facebook usually won't keep a visible list of that exact post for you. The second option is only for videos. If what you want to find is something you watched on Facebook, then you can check the section called Videos You've Watched. This is different from regular posts, and it only works for video content. To find it, go to your Facebook settings or activity-related sections and look for your video watch history. There you may be able to review videos you recently viewed and open them again if needed. So if your goal is to recover a post, start by asking yourself one question. Was it a regular post or was it a video? If it was a post, the activity log is your best place to begin. If it was a video, then videos you've watched may help you track it down much faster. If you still can't find the post, there are a few extra tricks you can try. Think about whether you liked, commented, shared, saved, or reacted to it. Any of those actions can make the post easier to find later. You can also search for the page, person, or group where you think the post came from. Sometimes the fastest way to find something again is by going back to the source instead of searching through your browsing history. Another useful tip is to use Facebook's search bar with keywords you remember from the post. Even a small part of a caption, name, or topic can help narrow things down. If the post was from a group you follow, check that group's recent posts as well. If it was from a page, visit the page and sort through the latest content. So, to recap, Facebook does not have a direct recently viewed posts list. The two main places you can check are your activity log for general activity and videos you've watched for video history. That's the closest way to review content you recently engaged with on Facebook. I hope this video helped clear that up. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful Facebook tutorials, app tips, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.